Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about product highlights, where it is used and what is its scenario. Let me search bicycle. I have used a filter over here, that is buy on Google. While applying sale, here comes multiple filters. It also shows free listings. Make sure you must use these filters. You can see wheel size, tire width, category, discover. So there are a number of filters. As you know, the more data we provide to Google, the more chances are there to increase the click-through rate, and the more click-through rate we have, the more users convert into buyers. So here in this example, let me show you. So here in this example you can see the description comes from the feed we have created in our app. So here you can see. Now let's move to the product highlight scenario. I have jumped to second product and it shows its description is located down there, and here comes the highlights. So by using product highlights in your product feed helps capturing the attention of your audience and conveying key information effectively. It also improves the readability, visual hierarchy, and provides the clarity in complex contents. And you will see different platforms use highlights like Amazon. So this user has written the features according to his product, and here comes the description and the product details. We will cover this in our next videos. And here you can see you can add the product details in the product highlights, like I am writing gold plated. Additionally, you can also write 30-day money back and so on. You can write anything according to your strategy, and I suggest there should be 6 highlights according to Google's recommendation, but still you can add up to 100, but I will follow the Google's recommendation over here. So we have added the highlights. Now we have to move to Merchant Center. Let's check the product. Sometimes it may take time to. Let's move to the Merchant Center. So here in products, our data didn't reach yet as Merchant Center takes time. So now our product is updated. So here comes the highlights that we have added. Data will never be missed from our product, but it can take some time for processing. And if you are using Google Next, make sure to switch to Merchant Center account, as Google Next is already on beta testing, though it will delay the process. I hope you have got the idea that what is product highlights and how does it works in Google Shopping. So I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.